not spinning, but
spin and just get a little bit of
just
motion.
and then down underneath on the front wheel. Fucking hell, lads. I want to see you do that by yourself. I would leave it there.